To solve the problem of inefficient waste management in India, we are here with our project, Plasma EcoGrid. We are here to convert the waste to clean energy city by city in India. Hello, I'm Shreya,
I'm Shanvi.
And I'm Snigdha.
and we are here with a very clear vision. We are here to decentralize plasma pyrolysis units across Indian cities, Tier 1, Tier 2, and Tier 3, to convert the plastic and mixed waste to produce the clear syngas and slag. Basically, we have the plasma pyrolysis units, which will be explained later on, and our process is very environmental sustainable, which prevents air, soil, and odor pollution. Our vision is very clear: zero plastic, zero odor, and zero wastelands in India.
The poor management of plastic has created serious environmental and health challenges. People often dump the wastelands. People often dump illegally in the wastelands, and they also take groundwater risk. Large landfill sites release methane gas and pollute groundwater. Burning plastic produces toxic fumes like dioxins and PM 2.5. Also, the central plants are inefficient and the transports take a long time to transport the plastic into the safer wastelands.
Overall, the wastelands also take a huge amount of area, and they cause the badlands and the inefficient area, which is not then be able to be utilized for any other process.
Our solution is the plasma EcoGrid, a system of distributed micro units that can process 1 to 5 tons of waste every day. It uses emission-free plasma pyrolysis to convert waste into useful syngas and inert slag. These component units can be set up in dumps, segregation centers, or industrial zones, making waste treatment local, clean, and efficient.
Now let's talk about how the plasma pyrolysis works. In plasma pyrolysis, waste materials are first fed into a specially designed reactor chamber. Inside, a plasma torch generates the superheated plasma. The waste is exposed to this high temperature in the absence of oxygen. The temperature of minus 10,000 degrees Celsius breaks the plastic completely, a process called pyrolysis. Organic waste gets converted into syngas, a mixture of hydrogen and carbon monoxide which can be used as a fuel to produce electricity or heat. Meanwhile, the inorganic matter melts and cools into a gas like non toxic residue called slag.
The overall impact of our
City impact. Implementing the plasma EcoGrid brings real changes to cities. It helps recover the wastelands by turning them into green zones while cutting emissions by up to 95% compared to open burning. The syngas produced can power streetlights or feed into the local energy grid, and it can also create green jobs and boost civic awareness through the waste segregation drives. Together, these benefits will make the city cleaner, greener, and sustainable.
talking about a business model. Our customers and target audience are municipalities, industries, and societies. Our revenue streams are the processing fees, which we take from the municipalities, our energy sales, which we get from the selling the hydrogen and carbon monoxide, which is produced during the same process, which can be utilized for the industrial purposes. Our carbon credits that we'll earn over the span of the next 10 years, and the sale of slag, which can be used in construction sites for bricks, making roads, and overall architecture. We also seek partnerships from DRDO, and our overall business model is the private public integration, and also we are seeking the local construction buyers, which would help us in the slag sales. Talking about the cost and returns, our overall capital expenditure would be 25 to 40 lakh per unit, and our estimated return on investment is 2.5 to 3 years on the capex, and our operation charges would be around 1 to 2 lakh a month. We are also seeking at projecting 300 kilowatt hour per energy produced per day, around 500 kgs of landfill which is saved per day, and 3 tons of carbon dioxide emissions which are reduced. Talking about the scalability and deployment, we are starting with the micropod, which is the at the ward level, where we will be incinerating 1 to 2 tons per day, and our second aim would be at the cities, which will require 10 to 20 plants at around across the city, and including the transfer stations for the syngas. Our regional goal would be 500 to 100 plants per day, which would be at scale at different landfills. Overall overall increasing our efficiency. And our roadmap aligns with the SDG goals 7, 9, 11, 12, and 13. And our overall phases would be our overall success period would around be 10 years. Where we scale from 1,000 plus pods and also export the regional model across our neighboring countries in Nepal and Bangladesh, which are facing the same problems. We would also be inculcating different kind of models like the solar hybrid, AI sorting, and general awareness for the public. And our aim is very simple: sustainable waste management across India by 2035 in a full-fledged manner. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.